Alright guys, so I backed the boat in here a little too far the other day and busted the drywall out. So we're gonna cut this out and fix it. Alright, so first you want to square this up. On a solid, probably gonna go down to there. Start at the bottom here. Mark that. Run up, let's say 12 inches. Go by because we gotta have extra paper. Yep, alright. Gotta be a screw right there somewhere. Grab a different blade. I don't think that one was quite getting deep enough. There we go. 10 by 12. And we'll do this on the back side of your drywall. I usually like to add 2 inches. So 2, 2, 12, 12, 14, 14. So we're only going to be able to do an inch. So we'll do 1, 11, 1, and 11. Mark this all square. That should have a 10 by 12 patch. And nope. I'm gonna mess up there. This way is 10. I'm sorry folks. 12. We'll cross that one out. I messed that up. Add 2 inches to that. 2 inches to that. There we go. So now we get a razor blade. Score that. Bring her down the center there. Now, what you're going to do is crack that, gently peel that off. That way you don't need any tape. Crack that off. There we go. So you've got your patch. Now what you're going to want to do, oops, take a little bit, put in there, put in there. Just help it adhere to that drywall, almost like glue. You got to make sure you got enough mud on the outside where the paper can stick. Don't worry about how it looks right now. It ain't gonna be perfect. We'll come back and finish all this, make it nice and pretty. Get the patch, make sure you got plenty of mud, like I said, for the paper to stick to. Patch. Bam. like that. A couple screws since you got a stud there. A little mud on your knife. Get it all scraped in. Don't play with it too much though, because that paper will get wet and start to come apart. Just want to do what you gotta do right now. Squeeze all that mud out from underneath that paper. This is Easy Sand 20, so it's already starting to thicken up. So don't worry about too much how it looks right now. That's beautiful. Alright guys, so we'll let that dry and then we'll come back and put another coat on. Okay, now take your sanding block and remember, it doesn't have to be perfect yet. Got a 10-inch knife here. Come on and just I think one more skim coat after this and it'll be great. Ready for paint. Alright guys, let's give this a quick sand down. I think just a light skim coat and she'll be ready for paint. Get these low spots. Here at the top, a little bit. Fill those low spots in. Okay guys, that's dry enough. We can go ahead and sand this skim coat and throw some paint on it. There's a couple spots I probably would, if it was in my house, I'd probably hit again. But for out here, I think I'm okay. And you can always paint it. And when you paint it, more imperfections are liable to show up, so you can always skim coat it after you paint it as well. So we'll throw a coat of paint on this. And if I want to hit it again, I will, but I think it'll be okay for out here. This is just for anybody that wants to try to do this themselves. Like I said, I'm no professional. I've done it a lot at work, but it is something easy. If you have the patience, you can tackle yourself and you don't have to pay somebody for it. Alright, let me get the paint. Okay, for this small job, I'm just using a 4-inch roller, 3/8 nap. Should blend in nicely. I had paint left over from when I painted this place originally. So, should match perfect. If you didn't have paint left over, you can always cut you a little bit off of the wall and run down to Lowe's or Home Depot and get some color match. You just gotta know what finish it is. It's a gloss finish, so I could easily clean it in the shop and it would be nice and bright. And this, the roller cover is actually from Harbor Freight, and I'm surprised how well it's doing. Yeah, I can already see there's a low spot right there. Gloss paint will definitely show the imperfections. Let that dry. We'll hit it again. Put another coat on here And that should be good. Alright guys, I'm gonna call this complete. It looks good. Like I said, if it wasn't in the shop, I'd probably put one more skim coat on it, cover a couple of these little places. But thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all, and y'all have a good night.